welcome to EduTab. In this video, we are going to discuss past year questions from your chapter Time Value of Money. So let's see what all questions have been asked in RBI Grade B 2017. So this is the question which came in RBI Grade B 2017. The question is, which of the following is a definition of annuity? The first option is regarding that annuities are net present values. NPVs stand for net present values. That annuities are net present values of all the equal cash inflows for a finite period of time minus the NPVs of all the equal cash outflows during that period. Now we have discussed annuities, but we haven't discussed anything related to inflows and outflows in annuities. So this might not be the correct option. Similarly, the second option talks about inflows and outflows. So this also might not be the correct option. The third option talks about equal cash flows for a finite period. So this might be the correct option because in annuities we have discussed that it means equal investments for a certain period in time. D is similar to C, but it says investments for an infinite period. We have never discussed in annuities that annuities are meant for infinite period. So if we see all this, C seems to be the correct answer. But let me warn you that the options which are on your screen might not be the exact options which came in the exam, because after even discussing with various candidates, we were not able to replicate the exact options. But anyways, this gives you an idea what kind of question came in the exam. This is the next question. A person has deposited 250 in the bank and he got compound interest at a certain rate of interest. What would be the rate of return if 250 gets converted into 1000 in 16 years? Now just by reading this question, you can easily gauge that it is a perfect question where you can use the rule of 144. The question is that 250 gets converted into 1000 in 16 years. What could be the rate of return or what could be the rate of interest? We have already studied the rule of 144, which is used to find out the number of years in which money gets quadrupled. Here the money is getting quadrupled in 16 years, so we can use the same formula to find the rate of interest. We shall divide 144 by 16 to find the rate of interest. The answer will come out to be 9, and that is your answer. So the next question is, amount of 1000 at 8% becomes 1000 in certain number of years. Find the number of years required to do so using rule of 72. So in this question, it is directly given to you that you have to use rule of 72. The amount is getting doubled at 8% in certain number of years, and you have to find those number of years. So you can easily divide 72 by 8 to find the number of years, and the answer would be 9. So you can see that some of these questions were very easy if you knew the rule of 72 or 144, and there were some easy marks to be scored. The next question is, suppose you invest 500 at the end of each year for next 5 years with interest rate at 5%. What would be the total value of money at the end of 5 years? Now this is a question based on annuity, that you are investing 5,000 at the end of each year for next 5 years and the interest rate is assumed to be 5%, and you have to find the future value of money at the end of 5 years. That is, you have to find the future value of annuity. And the future value annuity factor is also given at 5% for 5 years to be 5.52. So to find the future value, you can directly multiply 5,000 by 5.52 and you will get the answer as 27,600. So again, this was a very easy question, very easy marks to be scored. But here I just want to warn you again that the values given in this question are not the exact values which came in the exam. So we have just put some values in order to replicate the question which came in the exam. But anyways, again, this will give you an idea what kind of question came in the exam. So let's see what are the questions asked in RBI Grade B 2018. No questions asked in RBI Grade B 2018 from Time Value of Money. And let's see now what are the questions asked in RBI Grade B 2019, right? So again, no questions asked in RBI Grade B 2019 from this chapter. Now coming to SEBI, questions from this in SEBI Grade A 2018. No question asked in SEBI Grade A 2018 from this chapter. and SEBI Grade A 2019 questions from this chapter. The paper itself was not held for SEBI Grade A in 2019. So thanks for watching this video.